The whole society is in a state of chronic poisoning from what we eat, hear, see, and smell. Points out that in all aspects of modern life, we may be exposed to potential harmful factors. These factors invade from diet, hearing, vision, and smell, and long-term accumulation has an adverse effect on human health. The following is a detailed analysis. 1. Food safety. Our diet often contains harmful substances such as food additives, pesticide residues, antibiotics, and hormones. Overprocessed foods, high sugar and high fat diets, etc., also have adverse effects on health. Although these substances may not produce acute reactions in the short term, long-term intake can lead to metabolic disorders, endocrine disorders, obesity, diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, etc. There are also hidden dangers such as genetically modified foods, heavy metals accumulated in the food chain, and microplastics, which are also factors that gradually have a negative impact on health. 2. Hearing information and noise pollution. Negative information and noise pollution in the media, social networks, and advertisements can affect people's mental and psychological health. Excessive exposure to false news, negative emotions, or overly entertaining information flows can easily lead to anxiety, depression, and increased stress, forming a psychological chronic poisoning. Noise pollution, such as traffic noise and construction noise, also chronically affects people's nervous system and sleep quality, leading to long-term fatigue and neurasthenia. 3. What we see: visual pollution and cultural consumption. The large amount of advertisements, screen devices, and ubiquitous media information bombardment in society. People stare at electronic devices for a long time and are exposed to a large amount of low-quality entertainment content, which may have a negative impact on vision and mental state. The blue light of electronic screens can damage eye health, cause visual fatigue, and even vision loss. At the same time, the information of consumerism, violence, negative emotions, etc., instilled by the media subtly affects values and emotions, forming chronic poisoning at the psychological and spiritual levels. 4. Odor, air pollution, and chemicals. Air pollution is an important source of chronic poisoning, especially industrial waste gas, automobile exhaust, haze, etc., in large cities which contain a large amount of PM2. 5. Sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides, and other harmful substances. Long-term inhalation can cause respiratory diseases and even increase the risk of cancer. Volatile organic compounds such as formaldehyde, benzene, etc. are often present in indoor air. These come from home decoration materials, detergents, air fresheners, etc. Long-term exposure may cause allergies, respiratory problems, and even damage to the central nervous system. Any thoughts?